Mastering professional language in cover letters. Hello everyone and welcome back. Today, we're going to tackle an important skill you'll need in your professional journey: mastering the use of professional language in cover letters. In the world of job applications, a cover letter is your first chance to make a good impression. Hence, the language and tone you use are crucial. Let's dive in. Professional language refers to the type of language that is appropriate and commonly used in the workplace. It's formal, clear, and respectful. Using professional language is not just about avoiding slang or colloquialisms, it's about expressing your ideas in a clear, concise, and professional manner. For example, instead of writing, "I got skills in project management," you might say, "I have developed skills in project management." Here are some tips to help you use professional language effectively in your cover letters. 1. Be formal but not overly complex. Professional language doesn't mean using difficult words or complex sentences. Aim for clarity and conciseness. 2. Avoid slang, jargon, and abbreviations. These can make your cover letter difficult to understand, especially if the reader is not familiar with them. 3. Polite and respectful tone. Professional language is always respectful. Even when you're expressing your achievements, remember to maintain a humble tone. 4. Active voice over passive voice. Using active voice can make your writing clearer and more direct. 5. Proofread. Always proofread your cover letter to avoid grammatical errors, which can make your letter seem less professional. To understand this better, let's compare two versions of the same message. Casual: I'm good at managing people. In my last job, we finished a big project quick because of me. Professional: I possess strong leadership abilities. In my previous role, my effective management contributed to the timely completion of a significant project. Notice the difference in tone and language. The professional version communicates the same idea but in a more formal, respectful, and effective manner. And there you have it. Mastering professional language is all about balance. Being formal yet clear, showcasing your skills without boasting, and demonstrating your value in a respectful manner. Remember, your cover letter is the first chance to make a great impression, so make it count. Practice makes perfect, so keep refining your skills. We hope this video has been helpful and will enhance your ability to craft a strong, professional cover letter. See you in our next lesson.